Peace, people. I hope you're good, staying safe and healthy. Right, I've got a cold crack unboxing right here, courtesy of my family from Blackbox Store all the way out in Italy. Right, well, we're about to check out the Nike Air Jordan 4 SE Starfish execution, which is a women's exclusive. But this exclusive is on the level of the best of the ones that we've seen over the years for the men. So sick. I'm lucky that they actually went up to my size as well, US 9 equivalent. So, yo, it's a good look indeed. But yeah, this shoe first debuted in 1989. It was seen in the film Do the Right Thing, a Spike Lee classic. And for me, it's the best silhouette for me of all time. So sick. Right, to the shoes. And I tell you what, the levels are at maximum, no question. Just look at that silhouette. For me, the greatest of all time. The way it rakes back, the height, everything. It's just perfection. And just look at that way the iridescent upper pops from a distance already. So if you're going to be rocking them, people are going to see you from way off and going, what are those? What do you got on those? What you got in the feet, yo? Seriously. Anyway, let's get up and close on the AMSR tip so you can see what's going on here. We have a treated nylon canvas upper that's pearlized so it reflects and catches the light. And then you also have the edging, the orange edging on play. So the thing is, those elements of the silhouette are accentuated. Absolutely superb. And the color scheme, wow, beautiful. Sort of like an orange black going on. The exposed tongue, shades of Virgil Abloh off-white, and that's no bad thing. Yes, for me, one of the best Air Jordan 4 executions of all time. And you know what? With the packed program that Jordan brand have this year, I still think that come the end of the year, come the end of 2021, these are going to be up there on everyone's best list, no question. But anyway, my Blackbox Store fam, I really do appreciate you for looking out. Gia and Luca, big ups, yo. And to you people out there, yo, stay safe. One love.